all, you remove the wheel, you remove the tie rod ends, both sides removed. Now you can take off this part. Pretty easy. Now you proceed to remove those 3 bolts. Now you can wiggle this and take it out. I will tell you from what side it goes out. Our steering went out this way. It went this way. Remove the motor to have more clearance. What else? I'm gonna throw that harness. You pick 3 cables. This is gonna be your ground wire. Wiring. My blue and white cable will be on with a white and green one. This plug. Next, we have black and yellow with my yellow one, and here we have the royal blue one with my solid blue one. That's the pairing. Pretty hard to move.